Welcome to Learning Physics and MCQ. Relative permittivity for air is it's near about equal to vacuum. Presence of dielectric always. Decrease electrostatic force between charges. The force between two-point charges is 4 Newton when dielectric medium with relative permittivity to equal to 2 is introduced, and force between them will become the SI unit of Coulomb constant K is Newton meter square per Coulomb square. The relative permittivity for all dielectric other than vacuum is always greater than 1. The force between two similar unit charges placed 1 meter apart in air is electrostatic force between two electrons separated by a distance of 1 meter is two charges of 1 coulomb and 6 between electrical force acting in them will be the exact equal force each other. Which of the following is measure electric field intensity? Flux per unit area. The concept of electric field was given by Michael Faraday's. The force on neutron due to electric field of 10 power 3 Newton per Coulomb is neutron have no charge, so the force is 0. Force per unit charge is electric field intensity. The electric field line are closer where the field is. Stronger. The electric field created by positive charge is radially outward. The unit of electric field intensity is Newton per Coulomb and volt per meter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe Learning Physics and MCQ.